You can open any software without clicking the mouse very easily. There are some software that we had to find out, but we use them every day. The software you use every day, now you can open the software very easily without mouse. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Assalamualaikum friends, today we will discuss computer software open without mouse. Go to the location of the software you want to open without the mouse. Right click the software. Then select open file location. The software is already selected. Right click the software. Select show more options. Then select properties. Click shortcut tab. Type the word of your choice in the shortcut key. Since the first word in Photoshop is P, I will type P. Click apply. Then click continue. Click OK. Now if I use the shortcut key while doing something else, my desired software will open. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.